Hello and welcome to Transfer Talks. This is a video series created to highlight our university partners and to help students who want to learn more about their transfer institution. My name is Lauren Pierbolt. I'm a transfer specialist at Joliet Junior College. Today, we're with Stacy Amedeo, Senior Academic Advisor at Governor State University. Stacy, thank you for talking with us today.
Thank you for having me again. I'm excited to be back. So today I'm talking to you about our community health program at Governor State University. So one of the first things is important to know about our Bachelors in Health Science and Community Health is that we have 3 concentrations that you must pick from. So no matter what, your community health degree is your main focus, but you will have to choose one of these concentrations. Our concentrations include health promotion across the lifespan, pre-health profession, and foundations of substance abuse. Later in this presentation, we'll be going over in a little more detail about what these concentrations are all about. So to start, let's talk about the community health program and what it is to be a community health worker. So community health focuses on public health practices and the interactions between individuals and families and community structures. So this is a behavioral science degree with a focus in healthcare, and basically the interventions that communities can do to enhance the health and well-being of the people who live in their communities. So like I said, it doesn't really matter which concentration you choose. You will definitely be able to work in the community health field no matter what concentration. These settings include working for companies, working for townships and park and rec, also working in hospital and healthcare settings. So when it comes to our health promotion concentration, you need to know what you can do with this degree or with this concentration. So to start with this concentration, you're going to go really in depth in that developing, planning, and implementing of healthcare programs and services. This concentration specifically would allow you to be able to sit for our CHES exam. So the CHES exam is your Certified Health Education Specialist. Currently, this is the only concentration that does get you fully prepared for the CHES exam. So if getting that certification is something that is of interest, this would be the concentration for you. Our pre-health profession concentration is really been created for those students who want a different option if they are looking for graduate healthcare programs. So in the past, most students think they need a biology or chemistry degree to go on to OT, PT, medical school, dental school, but we have created the pre-health concentration to help prepare students for all these types of graduate degrees. So what we will do in your advising for this program is talk about the different professions that you want to go in, and then look at the specific prerequisites needed for these advanced degrees and focus on those prerequisites while you're working through your community health program, making sure you meet all the prerequisites before you graduate. And finally, our Foundations of Substance Abuse concentration has been created for students who are really interested in working with people who have substance abuse issues. So it's designed to talk about both prevention and treatment of substance abuse. And many of the students who choose to go into this concentration may consider graduate studies as well, possibly either in addiction studies or in counseling. Before we end our presentation today, I do want to talk about Governor State's dual degree program. This is such an important part of GSU because this dual degree program is something we offer directly to JJC students. So our transfer specialists come to JJC and can do virtual appointments currently to talk about how to make your transfer process from the community college to the university as smooth as possible. One of the perks is that we lock in the current tuition rate for in-state students. Also, there are special scholarships available for DDP students that are only available if you join this program. So in the video description, you will see a link to both the DDP website as well as a link to the community health degree. And finally, if you ever need to reach out to me directly, here's my contact information. I'm always happy to talk to any prospective students about community health or any of the programs I have listed, including nursing, health informatics, and if you're even undecided, undeclared, that's my specialty as well. So thank you for having me, Lauren.
Stacy, thanks so much for being here and sharing all that wonderful information.
Thanks.
We'll see you next time on Transfer Talks.